How you doing? Did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? Hey, did you smile today? How you doing? So today I'm going to tell you guys everything you need to know about spring twists before installing them. Yes, I am. These are going to be all my tips and tricks. This is my third time installing spring twists by myself, so I'm pretty knowledgeable. I know a little something, so let's get into the video. The first piece of advice that I tell you guys all the time is to wash your braiding hair, your extensions. I don't care what you want to call it. Wash it. These companies put a chemical on your braiding hair to really preserve it. And if you have a sensitive scalp, if your scalp is usually itchy after you install any type of protective style, it's because that chemical sits. So you need to wash your braiding hair with apple cider vinegar. You can use regular vinegar if you want to, but apple cider vinegar is ideal. This is my third time using this company, so I already know that their braiding hair is pretty clean, but I wash my braiding hair anyway, no matter what, just in case. You just never know. So let's talk about the prep work, your actual hair. So you need to wash your hair, with some shampoo or bentonite clay mask if you want to, but with some shampoo. You need to deep condition your hair. You need to thoroughly moisturize your hair. Before installing these, I used a protein treatment deep conditioner, but you can use a regular deep conditioner if you want to. You gotta make sure that your hair is moisturized because your hair is gonna be put away for who knows how long, maybe 2 weeks up to a month. So let's talk about the hair itself. It's very soft, it's very lightweight. A lot of times when you do box braids, that weight, oh my god, can break your neck a little bit. This is very lightweight. This feels like nothing. So if you're really sensitive to like heavy things on your head, this is very lightweight. It's really easy to install by yourself. It doesn't take not that long at all. Another piece of advice I give to you is to not blow dry your hair. You do not need to blow dry your hair. You do not need to stretch your hair at all. When it comes to kinky styles, it is better to have your hair in its natural state. Like this hair, I think is about 12 inches, and when you stretch it, it goes like to 16, then it bounces back up like how your natural hair does. So it's easier to install in your hair's natural state. This is why I say keep your hair moisturized, because you're not blowing out your hair, so you don't need to worry about reverting it. When it comes to installing this hair, it's very soft, so it can tend to slip a little bit. That's why I say that it's better not to have blow dried hair, because it will just slip right out. Make sure that you check out my last video. I showed you step by step a few different ways on how to install this. It's easier if you braid it in to make sure that it doesn't slip at all. It is really secure at the root. When it comes to maintenance, usually I keep my protective styles in for at least a month. I want to get my money's worth or whatever. So it's best to keep your hair moisturized like how you usually would. You could do the good old method where you take a spray bottle of water and you put a little leave-in conditioner in it, a little oil in it, you shake it up, and you just spray your roots every now and then. Make sure that you still balance the moisture. Just because your hair is put away does not mean that you neglect your hair, okay? And do not oversaturate your hair, because if your hair tends to mat up easily, my hair tends to mat up easily like right here on this side of my head. So try not to saturate your hair too much, or else when you take the hairstyle down, you're gonna get some little tangles. It's gonna be a little hard to pull apart, trust me. Okay. And honestly, overall, this is one of my favorite protective hairstyles. It looks pretty natural. Personally, I don't, go too heavy on like the gels or the edge controls, because I think it looks more natural that way if it's like a little bushy. But if your hair tends to like poke out easily, and when it comes to twists or braiding styles, make sure that you put a little gel or a little edge control on like the ends of your hair where your hair tends to poke out. I just love this style. The versatility is bomb. The price is under $30. I'll leave a link below where I got my hair and all the supplies that I've used. It comes in a range of colors. A lot of you guys seen me with spring twist the first time when I had blue hair. I'll have it linked up there somewhere. It was so cute. Oh my gosh, that blue hair was popping. Okay, popping. And the takedown this hair is pretty simple, like how you usually do a twist out. You just unravel the twist and keep pushing. And that's pretty much all the advice that I have. Do not do this on blowout hair. Make sure that you wash all your braiding hair before you install them. It's easier to do this in your hair's natural state. Make sure that your hair stays moisturized throughout the week. A little spritz of water, a little leave-in conditioner, a little oil every now and then to make sure that your hair is nice and moisturized. You don't want to neglect your hair while it's being put away for up to a month or two. Make sure that when you're installing that you're twisting to the left. Do not twist it to the right. It'll look kind of wonky. You'll know if it looks wonky. This is a low tension hairstyle. When you order this specific braiding hair, it comes with 3 packs. I only used 1 pack of braiding hair. Some people use like from 1.5 to like 2. If you want to be like, you know, have a full head of hair, you can do about 3 or 4. And yeah, I think that's all the advice I have to give. I think people's biggest concerns are how to get started when it comes to installing this hair and how to keep their natural hair moisturized while the hair is installed. But yeah, that's all the tips and tricks that I have to share. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. I'll answer all of them. Give this video a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.